Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to replace your brake light for a Peugeot 208 from 2012 to 2019 Mark 1. Let's get started. In the back boot of your car, you will see this cover. You need to remove this by following how I'm doing it. So once it's removed, you've got the electrical cable for your rear light unit. And this is the plastic bolt to hold your rear light in place. So undo this electrical cable. It's a bit fiddly, but push down on the clip. Just like this. And then undo this. Now push this out. This will help you get the lighting unit out. So put your fingers in between somewhere where you can grip and pull it out. Just wiggle it out. I will show you again. This one, just push it out, then it comes off. Once off, I recommend you sit at the driver's seat of your car to remove this plastic cover. So let me start. So once in the car, you will see some clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clips altogether. Pull the clips out. And then the cover will remove. Just be careful though, because there is some wiring in there. You don't need to take the wiring out of this plastic cover. Just be careful, it's very fragile. As you can see, you've got access to light bulbs, but this is the brake light. Just twist it out. See, this is how it looks like. It's worn out. I will replace this with a new brake light bulb. So to put it in, you just make sure you align it where the two little posts, little clips stick out. Bear with me. I'm going to show you. Before I put it in, you can see 1, 2. And then twist it. Jeez, now it's locked into place. So twist it that way, anti-clockwise, this way, okay? Now it's time to put the cover back on and reconnect the light unit back into the car. Just remember, make sure this is sticking out. And then screw it back in. And don't forget to reconnect your electrical cable. This one, of course. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to replace the brake lights for your Peugeot 208. Last step is to put this back cover back on. Comment below and let me know how you got on. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to buy me a coffee.